Multiplication comparisons. How can you model multiplication comparisons? You can use multiplication to compare amounts. For example, you can think of 15 equals 3 times 5 as a comparison in two ways. First way is think of 15 as 3 times as many as 5. So do you see here we have 3 times as many as 5. 5, 10, 15 compared to just 5, right? But here we have 15 as 5 times as many as 3. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 compared to 3. But remember, the commutative property states that you can multiply two factors in any order and still get the same product. So it doesn't matter if you say 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. Either way, you're going to get 15. Let's unlock the problem. Carly has 9 pennies. Jack has 4 times as many pennies as Carly. How many pennies does Jack have? Okay, before we begin, we're going to use our reading strategies. Let's go ahead and circle the information we already know. We know that Carly has 9 pennies, and we know Jack has 4 times as many as Carly. How many pennies does Jack have? So what do we need to compare? We need to compare Carly's pennies, which she has 9 of, and Jack has 4 times whatever Carly has, which is 9. But we can also draw a model and write an equation to solve that. So here's Carly. We know she has 9, right? And Jack has 4 times as many as that. So if he had the same, it would just be 9. But he has 4 times that, so it's 9, 9, 9, 9. Well, we know that 4 times 9 is 36. 9, 18, 27, 36. So we know that Jack has 36 pennies. That's one way to do it. The other way you can do it is to write an equation and solve. So N is really what Carly is. Carly is 9 times 4. N equals 36. So the value of N is 36. N is how many pennies Jack has altogether. Let's look at how the equation is for 4 is 2 more than 2 is different from the equation for 4 is 2 times as many as 2. Let's think about that for a second. 4 is 2 more than 2. So what does that mean? 4 equals, because is means equal, 2 more than 2. Do you notice how this is adding? And that's different than the equation is 4 is 2 times as many as 2. So that would be 4 is 2 times 2. Either way, you have the same answer. But notice that this is multiplication and this is adding. So 2 more is a clue word for plus, but 2 times is a clue word for multiplication.